video, I'll basically be showing you how to cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription. So if you've enabled Snapchat Plus and you aren't liking the features, I'm going to show you how to easily cancel it. So click on the Snapchat Plus option here under your horoscope or above your stories. So tap on that option, and then you see the option here at the bottom of the screen that says manage your subscription. So you need to tap on manage your subscription. This will either open the App Store or the Google Play Store depending on which device you're using. Now here you'd be able to see your subscription. I want you to tap on Snapchat and you'll have the option to manage the subscription. So as you can see here, you could update the payment method, you could add a backup payment, but the option that you'd want to select is cancel subscription at the bottom of the screen. So tap on cancel subscription and then you'll be prompted to the reason as to why you'd want to cancel your subscription. You could select any reason here. So let me go back. I'm just saying cost related reasons. Now let's click on continue, and as you can see here, if you cancel your subscription, it will be canceled at the end of your billing period. My billing period is July 9th, so I will basically keep the Snapchat Plus features until July 9th. So let's select cancel subscription and let's see what happens. As you can see here, subscription has been canceled. Your Snapchat subscription or Snapchat Plus subscription will end on July 9. You could simply resubscribe if you choose to. So let's head over back to. Alright, so basically we still have Snapchat Plus and it will be cancelled on July 9th. So that is basically how to go ahead and cancel your subscription for Snapchat Plus. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Hacker7 out.